In today's crypto news, Bitcoin price hits $10,500 in minutes as Max Keiser tweets, BTC about to explode. We'll be talking about this prediction here in today's show, as well as the Bitcoin price actions on where we go from here. In today's episode, we'll also be discussing the Ripple XRP petition to stop dumping XRP, which now has collected over 2,000 signatures from investors. How will this affect XRP, and will XRP dump to 20 cents as Peter Brandt predicts here in this model? In today's show, we'll also be discussing the future of altcoins as Bitcoin reclaims its 70% BTC dominance. All this and more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day. Be sure to click that subscribe button as well as the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. All right, so let's get right into today's show. Bitcoin hits $10,500 yesterday, literally in minutes from the time of Max Keiser's tweet, which said, Bitcoin is a coiled spring about to explode higher. Boom. And just like Tigger from Pooh Bear, it was a coiled spring and it bounced higher, reaching $10,500, which you can see we pumped to, and then it consolidated back down, dumping a little to where we're currently at, which is about the $10,345 level. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. You'll notice this resistance we're trying to break above, which is 10,005, and stay above so we can continue climbing upwards, surpassing 10.8 and eventually 11,000, 11.2, 11.4. There's a lot of strong resistance levels, but this exponential moving average right below, you can see in the green, is currently at about 10,450. And then we have one where we're currently at, which is a strong base serving as a support at about the $10,300 level. And then right below that, we have the blue exponential, which is currently at about 10,250. Now notice these two may cross, and in the past, every time we see a cross, a death cross, we see a huge dump. So we'll see how it plays out here. Now let's take a look at the daily chart, and I want you to realize that we've been ranging for quite some time now in this channel, and I do believe we are going to continue ranging probably in between 9,000 and 11,000 until something major happens. I think a very big date is September 23rd when the backed futures are released, but overall I'm still pretty bullish on Bitcoin leading up to the halving in May of 2020. So what are your thoughts? Do you feel the Bitcoin price will continue ranging over the course of the next few months, or do you feel there's going to be an imminent breakout? Let me know in the comments down below. Keiser previously claimed multiple times that the Bitcoin price was due to grow in line with increasing network performances. Specifically, he highlighted mining metrics as a hint markets are about to expand. And others were attempting to explain why BTC/USD had begun gaining and losing several $100s within minutes at irregular intervals. One theory revolved around margin trading, the increasingly popular tool offered by major exchanges such as Binance and most notably BitMEX, which is the largest derivatives exchange on the planet. I also want to note Bybit is an incredible exchange where you could long or short Bitcoin with leverage. And in the description right below this video, I've included my referral partner link. And if you use that to sign up and you deposit 0.2 BTC, you will receive $60 in free Bitcoin for trading. Go ahead and do that right below this video. Check it out, register, and happy trading. And taking a look at this tweet from Squeeze, he says the effect of cascading margin calls and stop loss triggers causing $300 slippage between XBT perpetual swaps on BitMEX versus spot BTC. One word for over leveraged traders: brutal. In other news, a petition starts asking the Ripple company to stop dumping XRP gains momentum. Peter Brandt tweeted, will Ripple be able to manipulate the market to keep XRP above 24 cents? A serious breakdown at this level in 20 cents is in the cards, as you can see in this graph. And then right below that, they posted the petition to stop dumping XRP, which now has over 2,000 signatures from XRP investors. Peter also tweeted, the chart pattern for many, many months has shown the distribution of XRP by Ripple. It has manipulated the price to hold support. But if support gives away, Ripple will be forced to dump in a major way. Now, as we all know, in 2017, Ripple was one of the best performing crypto assets. Now in 2019, XRP is amongst the worst performing crypto assets. The XRP investors are very insecure about the behavior of Ripple as the blockchain firm allegedly keeps on manipulating the market, claims the investors. A recent donation of $1 billion by Ripple to Coil has raised eyebrows amongst XRP holders. Even though Ripple has an indirect influence on XRP with its developments, on the other side, it holds the majority of XRP, and with Ripple dumping the XRP coins in large numbers, this hasn't amazed investors. Just weeks ago, XRP touched the lowest price mark of 25 cents since late 2017. This shows that Ripple has had an impact on XRP in a negative way. The co-founder of multi-coin capital hedge fund Kyle, in his interview with Bloomberg, stated that the rise in Ripple's quarterly XRP sales had led the digital asset to a bearish trend. A petition asking Ripple to stop dumping XRP crypto has been published on change.org. The hypothesis is that Ripple is placing on the market billions of XRP, causing the price to fail. Because as we all know, Ripple/XRP is not decentralized like Bitcoin. Now the petition has gained momentum with over 2,000 investors signing it, asking the fintech firm to quit dumping their XRP holdings onto the market. The aim of the petition is to collect tens of thousands of signatures to support the cause and stop the price from falling, although there is no mention of how this could be done or what they would actually do once the 10,000 signatures have been collected. So what do you think is going to come of this? Do you think XRP will continue dumping their coins on the market, devaluing the currency, or maybe will this petition change things? Let me know in the comments below. And in other crypto news, altcoins anguish continues as Bitcoin bounces back, reclaiming 70% dominance. Weekend trading has been largely lackluster as usual. Bitcoin spent most of the time hovering just above 10,000, while the altcoins stayed in bed. A Monday morning push in Asia has sent BTC up to a 5-day high, but its brethren have yet to react. BTC is dominating market movements this Monday as $8 billion flows back into the total market capitalization, with dominance back at 70% according to TradingView.com. The move spells more pain for altcoins, which are still getting battered. The chart shows market share for BTC tapping 71.29% a few hours ago during the spike, as you can see right here in the chart. Now also keep in mind, if we exclude stable coins, that the Bitcoin dominance is really above 90%, as I covered in a previous story on this show. Trader and analyst Luke Martin has taken a look at the worst performing altcoins of 2019, and the picture is not a pretty one for them. As you can see from this tweet from Luke Martin, who says major alt performance versus Bitcoin over the past year. Coins that were beating BTC at one point are now down at least 50%, including XRP, EOS, XMR, XLM, and Tron. The biggest losers, Bitcoin Cash, ZEC, XLM, ETH, and the biggest winner, naturally, Binance Coin. Go figure. And this chart actually shows the percent change in price over the past year, looking at Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Litecoin, and all the top alts. This is pretty cool. I've included this resource right below this video in the description. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin realized market cap surpassing 100 billion for the first time. Realized market cap is an alternative calculation of Bitcoin's market cap, is now in record highs, calculated from multiplying the price of each Bitcoin last traded by the size of each trade. The figure for Bitcoin passed 100 billion just on Sunday. The achievement is just one more in a string of near constant records for Bitcoin, which recently posted all-time highs in areas such as hash rate and daily trading volumes. As cryptography pioneer Nick Szabo added, the realized market cap progress comes in tandem with some of the lowest volatility seen on the Bitcoin network since 2012. The long-term chart reflects the superior deep safety, global seamlessness, and monetary soundness of Bitcoin, he commented on Monday. As Cointelegraph reported, if taken using realized cap focusing on liquidity and trading volume, some claim Bitcoin's total market dominance in fact lies above 90%, which I touched upon earlier if we exclude all these stable coins, far more than the 70% predicted by crypto data aggregators. Only Binance Coin brings home the bacon for traders. At the same time, however, pressure on altcoins is continuing to mount as data from coin metrics confirm. Most major tokens lost significantly against Bitcoin this year, despite the fact they have previously beaten its performance. Now taking a quick look at the crypto market over at Coin360, you can see BTC is currently trading at $10,370 at the time of shooting this video, up 1.22% for the day. Ethereum is trading at $189, down 0.85% for the day. XRP is down 1.95% for the day, trading at just below 27 cents. Litecoin is trading at $73.63, down about 0.16% for the day. Taking a quick look at the BitMEX margins, you can see that the bears are currently winning with about 9 million superiority over the last 24 hours, but it's pretty even. Shorts are 50.13% versus 49.88% long, so we'll see who wins. Well, that's it for today's show. I appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button as well as click on the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. And oh yeah, don't forget to check out the description right below this video. I've included all the resources from the show, including my referral partner link for Bybit, so you can long or short Bitcoin with leverage. And with that being said, thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.